Hi, it's Dr. Dominique, a licensed marriage and family therapist in the state of Florida. I've been noticing a lot of my couples coming to me because of miscommunication. Are you having difficulties in your relationship communicating right now? I think I'm noticing a lot of couples not using active listening. So active listening is when you actually sit down, you put the phones away, you give each other eye contact, and you try to listen without emotion. Emotion is when we feel hurt, when we feel that the other person isn't listening to us, when we feel that the person is saying things that are untrue. So when you start to get those feelings in a communication, we're no longer using active listening. Now we're just emotionally listening to the person, which usually doesn't help the communication to get to a better place. In those times, I always recommend my couples to kind of stop and maybe take a few minutes to write down what it is that you're trying to say, because clearly there's a miscommunication. And always remember, the ultimate goal in the relationship is to stay together. So we must, before affecting that goal and changing things permanently, we have to start using some active listening and trying to make sure that we're finding more solutions and coming to terms with decisions that we make together. And if that consistently is a problem, seeking out a therapist is always a great idea. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.